Diecast trucks are just one of the many varieties of scale model replicas referred to as diecast models available to the public. They have a myriad of functions, including toys, collectables, business, promotional gifts, and design models, to name just a few. The focus of this video will be truck models. The expression diecast model used in this context means any object that is smaller in size than another object while maintaining the same corresponding proportions of form and shape of the original object. In other words, a miniature version of a larger object, which in this case is trucks. To qualify as a diecast model, it must be created with the diecast manufacturing method and the use of glass, plastic, rubber, or metal. Today, metal alloys are the dominant material used by manufacturers. The first die-cast toys were produced in the early 20th century by companies like the Meccano Company in England and Doust Brothers in America. As to be expected, they were a little crude and had no interiors as they do today. These early models were made with poor quality materials and often would develop cracks and distortions caused by a condition referred to as zinc pest. After World War II, better raw materials were used and the zinc pest situation was resolved. Consequently, it is difficult for collectors to find die-cast models made before the war in good condition. To discover more about die-cast trucks, go to the link below this video.